Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. And I say this a lot, but if I can do this, you can too, really. Today we're making pick your own fruit cookies, because that's right, it is summer, fruit is plentiful, and you can pick whatever fruit you want. I will be using blueberries in mine, but if you're using a bigger fruit like a peach or even strawberries, be sure to cut them up. Things like blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, if they're small, you don't need to cut them up at all. Just wash them and throw them in. This cookie is going to have some lemon zest in it, which is going to add that little bit of acid and extra flavor to the base of these cookies. I'm expecting these to be delicious, but I haven't made this before, so we're going to find out together. Of course, I was inspired by this song. I found my thrill on Blueberry Cookie Hill. Yeah, Blueberry Cookie Hill, that's right, because these are going to have blueberries in them. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Cold butter. Beat this for about 30 seconds. Sugar, salt, lemon zest. Beat until smooth, about 2 to 3 minutes. Egg, vanilla, beat together. Flour, baking powder. Combine first with your spatula, otherwise you will have a cloud of flour. Mix briefly. Add in your fruit. We're going to mix this gently. We want the fruit to just start to break down, but not really color the entire dough. That's it. Scoop your dough using whatever size you want your balls. I'm going to put that in my hand. And then I'm going to gently roll it here. I'm going to roll it in the sugar. And there we go. Into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Depending on the size of your cookies, they should get a golden brown. It's been about 15 minutes. They're getting golden brown around the edges, so I'm going to take them out. They look great. Go ahead and let them rest on the cookie sheet to finish cooking, and then you can eat them warm. Look at this. Great. Pick your own fruit. We'll pick your own blueberry cookie. You can see all those blueberries in there on the bottom. And when I was mixing them, you saw that it kind of cut them in half, and I think that's the way to go. And I'm glad the mixer did it, and I didn't have to do it by hand. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. It's feeling very soft, and you can feel that pull a little bit. And I can see that the sugar on top got caramelized. This looks fantastic. Let's give it a bite, because it's all in the taste. This is a fantastic cookie. This is sort of the simple way of making a blueberry bread, or whatever fruit you so choose. I made a blueberry bread recently, and it was fantastic, and this is what it reminds me of. But I could have used any other fruit, so any way you go about it, you'll want to make these. And it's a great way to use your summer fruit. If I can make these pick your own fruit cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, make for your family and friends. Let me know what fruit you pick too. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.